Okay, does your F-150 make this horrible noise from the heater or the air conditioner? Check this out. Let's turn it on. Oh, yes. Is yours making that sound? Well, mine does. And we're gonna fix this problem. So stay tuned. All right. Listen, this is the horrible noise from this. We are going to be taking this carpet out. We're going to be accessing that back there. Hopefully, we're going to access this this little heater, fan, air conditioner, blower, and we're going to fix it. So stay tuned, and we're going to see what the problem is. Okay, so check this out. I've got some news for you. So we took off this panel right here, and we've got the heater, the blower motor right here. We've got, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bolt. I can't even get, let's see if I can get my arm back in here. But anyways, there's a bolt right there. I just took out this bolt right here, and then there's a bolt right there. There's 3 bolts, and then obviously there was this little connector was right here. I just unconnected the electrical connector. So let's pull this off and let's see. I'm not going to show the process of it, but like I said, just get you 8mm. I've just got this bad boy. Let's take this off and see what we're dealing with. Folks, you are never going to believe this, but this is such a simple fix. Like, I got this out, right? So I pulled out the blower motor, and guess what? Seriously, guess. I found the problem. I've been dealing with this problem for months. I didn't want to dive into it. So finally I watched some other YouTube videos. I don't remember which ones. Otherwise I'd post them up and be like, hey, check them out. That's why I'm making this one. I'm making this one so I can help other F-150 owners out. But check it out. Look at this. This right here is literally stuck in my blower motor. Where does that go? I have no idea. I honestly don't even know what the heck that is, but it's literally stuck in my blower motor. So, yeah, I believe that's the problem. It's a little dirty. I mean, it's some gunk in there, so we'll kind of get that fixed. But I mean, it rattles a little bit, but we're gonna take that out. Pretty sure that's the culprit, but we're gonna take that out and we're gonna kick on the heater fan and we're gonna see if that's the problem. I'm pretty sure that's the problem. So stick with me. We're gonna put it back together and we're gonna tell you 100% if that's the problem, but I'm almost certain that that's the problem. So stay tuned. Okay, moment of truth. Let's turn this thing on. All right, let's turn this thing on. Oh, hold on. All right, here we go. Air conditioner. Ho, 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 ho. Listen. Listen to that full on fan mode here. Look at that. Full fan mode, full blown. No more horrible noise. So all you need is literally an 8mm wrench to get to those 3 bolts. You kind of have to finesse it to get it out, But other than that, I would say this is very quiet compared to before. I am super stoked. My wife and daughter and whole family, for that matter, will be very happy that I fixed this. So, if you've got an angry wife, because when she drives the F-150, it's hot outside. It's like 80 degrees right now. It's 10:30 in the morning. It's gonna get to about 102 today, and we would love full-blown air conditioning without that noise, and now we have it. Oh, P.S. Smile every morning. When you get out of bed, smile. Smile and be grateful for everything you got. Try it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way